Question: what did you learn about the movie? I learned that the glass slipper can be represented as an engagement ring. It is a new couple that will form a family based on love. How did the film make you feel? This film made me feel quite restless when comparing the realities of dysfunctional families and children who are orphaned and get their right violated. How does the movie relate to the academic programs you are studying? In the area of psychology, the family is very important. It is the nucleus of society. Families need psychological support when they go through adverse circumstances.